The government pay for health care. Important but expensive. Healthcare is important. Seeing a doctor, going to the hospital, and taking medicine can help people stay healthy or feel better when they're sick or hurt. However, even healthcare can also be expensive. In fact, some people don't get the health care they need because it's got too much money. How can this problem be fixed? Some people believe the government should pay for health care for every citizen. Others believe healthcare is a private issue shouldn't be controlled by the government. Many Americans have strong feelings about healthcare, so it's important to understand this debate. Medical and Medicare. The US government don't pay for everyone's healthcare, but it does pay for healthcare service for some Americans who took two programs. Medicare and Medicaid. Medicare pays for healthcare service for people 65 years old or older, as well as younger people with certain disability. Medicaid pays for basic healthcare for people of all age who don't make enough money to pay it on their own. The number of Americans helped by the Medicaid rose after President Barack Obama signed the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. PPACP is also known as the Affordable Care Act (ACA) into law 2010. Who is really paying for it? How does the United States pay for medical and Medicare? It requires citizens to pay tax, which government uses for many services, including their two programs. If the government pays for the health care for everyone, it will need more money. This means citizens will pay higher tax. Many people dislike the idea of paying more people in tax. This is one of the biggest reasons why they argue against the government paying for health care. Some people believe if they are healthy, they shouldn't have to pay higher tax to cover cost healthcare for people who are sick. Saving money. The United States is one of the developed countries in the world without the universal healthcare system. This has led to many people to compare the healthcare system in the United States to the universal healthcare system in other countries. The US citizens pay more in healthcare costs than people from many other countries that have universal healthcare. Some people argue that the government pay for healthcare is in the United States, Americans would pay less in tax than they pay now in healthcare costs. Patient need paternity patient. Some people argue that the United States should be more like other countries that have universal health care problem funded by government. Others don't see that the health care system in this country aren't always good for patients. If the government pay for everyone health care, more people would go to doctor and hospital because they could afford it. If the number of doctors stay the same, this could lead to a long wait before the people receive the care they need. It also lead to a lower quality of care as doctor and hospital try to help more people. A healthy a healthier country. Supporter from government uh wait supporter of government healthcare can believe that even long wait for healthcare is better than no access to healthcare at all, which is many Americans are constantly facing. They can't afford to pay healthcare, so they often go without treatment they need. This can lead to major health problems. Experts say it is one of the reasons why people in many other developed countries live longer than Americans. If the government paid for healthcare, every American would have access to important healthcare service without worrying about the cost. This can save lives. The freedom to choose. Many people in the United States believe that the universal health care is a good thing. However, they also believe freedom is a good thing. Today, Americans can choose what they pay for the health care, or if they have the health care at all. Some Americans don't want that choice to be taken away. People who oppose the government fund health care also worry about the government control what the health They can get the belief that the government by put a limit on what the healthcare service and pay for what a doctor people can see. Is healthcare a human right? Some people believe it's not a human job to pay for healthcare. A growing number of people who believe that exactly what a government should do to help its citizens. The World Health Organization (WHO) is a group of work that makes the world population healthier than it's called healthcare a basic human right. Many people think the government should do whatever they can to protect the rights of their citizens. In fact, more than half of the Americans believe it's the government's job to make sure every citizen has access to health care. The debate is going on. After learning the fact that argue on both sides of this debate, do you think the government should pay for health care? People across the United States, from average citizen to the government leader, are asking themselves the same question. This debate has going on for many years. It shows no sign of ending soon. The opposition needs your question people have on this issue affects the law that are passed, the way tax dollars are spent, and the ways people vote. This is why it's important to understand different point of view, not just yours. Should the government pay for health care? Yes, Americans pay too much money for health care. If the government pay for the health care, more people will get health care they need and the country will be healthier. Healthcare is a human right, and the government job is to protect the rights of citizens. No, if the government pay for healthcare, it would be really be paid through the higher tax. More people believe, more people would use healthcare service, and wait time for the service would go up. Too many government control to take away people's freedom. The healthcare debate is important, and it's good to understand and respect people with different opinions on this issue. You can use a different chart such as this one to make this debate easier to understand.